Hello everyone, you are watching Jatendra Machinery Company, Jatendra Machine Tools, Nanak Nam Enterprises and Major Enterprises. Here we talk about various business ideas, their different market scope, their profit margins so that you can start this business from your home locations and earn a good amount of money. So be in this video, and for more further updates you can also subscribe our YouTube channels. And so let's begin.
दोस्तों, आपने अगर हमारा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बगल वाले घंटे को भी दबा दें, क्योंकि हम लाते रहते हैं नए नए बिजनेस आइडियाज़ और नई नई जानकारी केवल आपके लिए।
So friends, today we are going to talk about business ideas which is very high in demand in all over world, and you can start this business with only a single machine at your home locations or any of the industrial plant. So basically these are these napkins which you have seen everywhere in the market, and that everywhere tea stalls, in every hotels, restaurant, everywhere you have seen these types of the napkins. Different sizes of the napkins comes in different variants, that printing, without printing, everything will be you have seen in the market. So today we are going to discuss about these types of the manufacturing of the napkins, that how we can start these manufacturing plants, what are these profit margins, and how to start by staying in your home locations or by staying at your any industrial area by investing a small amount of money. So be in this video. Today I am going to discuss about 10 points regarding this complete business idea, that what is the space requirement, electricity, each and everything detail will be given in this video. So be in this video. So starting from our first point, let's talk about the space, that how much space is required for starting this business. So basically this machine and the raw material, everything, if you're going to start, then the minimum space will be required. It's near about 20 feet by 20 feet area, near about 400 square feet area you must have required for starting this paper napkin or a tissue paper manufacturing business, in which you have to install the machine. The machine area will be near about 8 feet by 4 feet, and the height is 5 feet. So it is the machine dimension, and all over the raw material and everything for packaging, everything will be the maximum of 20 feet by 20 feet area is everything you have to need. So then we will be talk about electricity. The machine have two motors, one is 2 HP and another is 3 HP. So the maximum of 4 kilowatt is the load required for the machine, in which the complete electricity load of the machine is used. So you have to require this in the commercial electricity load. So then if you go for investment, then talking about the machine, we have three types of the machine. Basically the first one is the single embossing, the second one is the single embossing and single color printing, the third one is the double embossing and the double printing. These are the napkins that you have seen. These are plain napkins in which the single embossing is done and only a single layer of the paper is there. And another side you can see this type of the napkin, it is the printed one. You can see the yellow color print is there, and it is the two layer of the napkin. You can see it's a double layer napkin. This is called a double embossing. And after that for a double printing also you can go for a two color printing also. So these three variants are available: single embossing, single printing, and double embossing, double color printing. The price range of these models starts from 4 lakh to 6 lakh, in which you can get these three models depending upon your budget and your starting investment. Everything you can go about this. Then going for our next point, the raw materials we will be discussing about. In the raw materials required, these are the two types of the raw material required for paper napkin manufacturing. The first one is that the soft tissue paper. Basically these are used as a 17 GSM to 20 GSM the paper, which one is the required for that. And after that you can see the two type of the paper are there. One is the soft one, which will have a soft texture, and another one is the hard napkin. This one is used for the low quality of the napkins. So basically the price range of that hard napkin to the soft napkin, it starts from 50 rupees per kg to 70 rupees per kg, depending upon the quality, depending upon the GSM, depending upon the whiteness of the paper you are going to buy. So all these are dependent upon that raw materials. All raw materials you can get from the local area, you can get from the market, everything you can get on that online also. So you needn't worry about that, it's generally available everywhere. Then if you go for a profit calculation, I am going to tell you the calculation regarding a hard paper napkin. So basically if you go for a 17 GSM paper with 1 kg raw material, then you can get roughly napkins in 1 kg near about 700 pieces. And in 700 pieces, if you are going to make a pack of 100 pieces, it will go for a 7 packs in a 100 pieces of a napkin. So near about, if you are going to buy the raw materials, price near about for the hard paper is near about 56 rupees per kg. It's just taking an example and telling you that what is the price range for that. that 56 rupees the paper kg is there. Then after that, calculating that travel expense, GST, everything will be done. Then the cost will go near about to 62 rupees per kg for a single kg of the paper. After that, if you are going to going for the production of the machine in a single day, in a 8-hour shift, you can get a production of 3 lakh napkins in a single 8-hour shift. Then after that, if you are going to go for a calculation by calculating that electricity and that labor, and other expenses, then the production cost of the all that single packet, it is the near about 0.85 to that 1 rupee per kg. By calculating the all the price of the one napkin is near about 10 rupees and 96 paisa. 96 paisa for a single packet, and the same for that selling price is near about 13 rupees. So you are getting near about 2 to 3 rupees margin on a single packet for a single on a the hard napkin. Or if you're going for the soft napkin, then the price will be 4 to 5 rupees per packet. So if you're going to manufacture near about 3 lakh napkins, and near about if you are calculating the 3000 packets in a single shift, then you are going to have, if you are going a single packet margin of 2 to 3 rupees, then you are getting 5 to 6000 rupees margin in a single shift with a single machine. And the production of, you are going for a semi automatic, if you are going for the single embossing, double embossing, everything, the production will be same for all the models. So you are getting near about 5 to 6,000 in a single day in a 8 hours shift in a single machine. So that's a good profit if you're going to start at your home locations or anything. Then if you're going for a marketing, next point, if you're going for to discuss about the marketing, that how to market this business, and then how to sell this product in the market. Basically, it's a ready to use product. You can see everywhere in the market there's a high demand of that napkins. So there's nothing like that you can find any customer in your locality or nothing like that. You can contact all that wholesaler suppliers. You can contact all these restaurants if they are restaurant demanding for their logo to be imprinted on this napkins also, then you can do their printing also. If you're having that single embossing or double embossing model, then it's very easy to catch up all the type of the customer if you're having the double embossing. So basically, I'm also recommending you that if you're as a startup or going to start this business, then you must have to buy a single printing or a double printing model as in the starting, so that you can cover each and every kind of the customer as in the starting phase. So you needn't have to contact any another person for if you're getting any special type of the order. You have the machine in your house, you have that everything in your house, so you also get the price of your own also. So that's also a good point if you're going to start with the single printing and a double printing model. Then if we are going to discuss about the license about this business, that what are the licenses required for that. So basically there's nothing like any particular license for this business. It is having no pollution, no noise pollution, no air pollution, nothing pollution like that. If you're going to install in your home also, then there's also no pollution in that. You just have to install that commercial electricity meter for that if you're going to install in your home, and nothing extra like that. And if you're going to have any certificate, then you can register for MSME certification in India or in any other country. Then there are different certifications, but there's no certificate and no special certification required for this business. It's easy to use or easy to manufacture these napkins, and it's a very easy business. If you're going to start, then you can getting a good business with only a single person. If you are going to start, then only a single operator is required, and the machine will produce you 5 to 6,000 in a single day in 8-hour shift. Or if you're going to double the shift, then you are getting easier money. Then if you are going for the working capital for the machine, then working capital is near about 2 to 3 lakhs for a single machine. Then raw material required, selling in the market and everything, all 2 to 3 lakhs is sufficient for starting a business in the starting phase. So raw material or working capital, it's everything will be covered in that 2 to 3 lakhs extra with that machine. So if you're going to buy the 5 to 6 lakh model and the 2 to 3 lakhs you have extra in your pocket, then you are going to start this business with a good pop-up. So then at last I have to say that how to start this business, that complete detail, that how you can start this business. So basically, for if you're going to start this business, you first have to buy the machines. So you can buy the machines from us. We are manufacturer in Amritsar, Punjab, and we manufacture these machines with the high grade materials and with everything with the company fitted, and nothing like any cheap products we are using in our machine. We provide 2 years warranty for these machines. Any problem will be there, our technician will come and provide you the proper solution for that any particular problem. So it's nothing like that. You can buy the machines from us, you can visit our factory, you can see the manufacturing process of the machines, you can visit here for proper details, and if you're going to buy the raw materials, then raw materials are also be provided by us. So everything, each and everything will be provided by us. So it's nothing like that you are not getting the complete details of the product. So I have generally covered each and everything about this business. If you're still having any query and still having any problem regarding this business, you can comment down below, or you can also phone me on also WhatsApp me on my the number showing below. So I think I have covered everything in this business. So it's all about this business, about tissue paper manufacturing business. And if you are going to see any other business also, you can visit our more videos on these channels. And thanks for watching on this video, and stay tuned, and stay also subscribe our YouTube channels for more business ideas like this. Thank you, thanks for watching.